Hello, dear friends. Today is 7th April, and World Health Organization celebrates World Health Day as in 1948, 7th April, World Health Organization was established. So this year, the theme for World Health Day is My Health, My Right. And on this occasion, the World Health Organization has given us some key messages. So let us see what are these key messages, and they are all aligned to health is a human right. So it is related to my health, my right. So first, let us see the messages given by World Health Organization for the general public. So it is the duty of general public to know health rights. So public has to know they have the right to safe and quality care without any discrimination. Privacy and confidentiality of your health information, information about your treatment and informed consent, bodily autonomy and integrity. Make decisions about your own health. This is also one of the rights. So every individual has to make decision about the health behavior, illness behavior, and to take the decision about from where the person wants to take the health care. Protect your right to health as a basic human right. So we all know that food, shelter, these are all the basic human needs. So health is also basic right, human right. So everyone should have access to the health services they need when and where they need them without facing financial hardship. So if you cannot access the healthcare, that's not right. Here are some ways to take the action. Advocate, appeal to political leaders, join health communities demanding action, participate in petitions and discussions, organize your community, for example, at work, at church, in the community, at your workplace, to agree what needs to change and how. So it is the duty of public to demand healthcare setting in their area from the government. Promote the right to health as an intrinsic pillar of our broader human rights. So this human right should be promoted in the community so that everybody feel that health is their basic right. Respecting our right to health means respecting our rights to access safe drinking water, clean air, good nutrition, quality housing, decent working conditions, and freedom from violence and discrimination. So these are the few basic requirements to maintain our health. Champion health as a priority. We should first give priority to our health. If we remain healthy, then we can live a good life. So get involved with decision making around health. Examples of how to participate include town hall meetings and citizen assemblies, focus groups and consultations, health councils, steering groups, and review boards. For governments, every law counts. Government should make a law regarding the health of the people. Every ministry can and should legislate to realize the right to health across the full range of sectors: finance, tobacco, tax, tobacco, sugar, and alcohol. So these are harmful substances which are easily available in the community. They should be taxed more on tobacco, sugar, and alcohol. Agriculture eliminate trans fats, reduce amount of antimicrobials in the agri food system by 30 to 50% by 2030. Environment, stop fossil fuel subsidies and subsidize or exempt tax of clean energy and fuels such as solar, hydro, and wind based electricity. Justice, prohibit all forms of discrimination. Transport, build up cycling infrastructure, support pedestrianiz- pedestrianization. Labor, ensure decent work, worker rights and protections, and create fair, equal, and gender responsive working conditions for health and care workers. Social affairs, social development, ensure access to social protection, that is, healthcare protection, pensions, unemployment benefits to reduce households' vulnerability to poverty and counteract the negative impacts of unexpected life events on income, wealth, or health. Invest in health like your bottom line depends on it. An additional US 200 to 328 billion dollars a year is needed globally to scale up primary healthcare in low and middle income countries. That is 3.3% of national forecast GDP. Deliver on the right to health, make health services available, accessible, acceptable, and of good quality for everyone everywhere. So, this is very important because health services are unequally available in urban and rural areas. So, it is the responsibility of the government to make available, accessible, and acceptable and good quality healthcare in rural areas, particularly. Be strategic and build from the basics. Reorient health systems around primary health care, champion transparency and accountability, tackle corruption by strengthening governance and working across sectors. I think corruption is a big issue which affects all aspects of human life. Human suffering I feel human suffering are because of the rampant corruption in that area. Involve the general public in health decision making. Social participation happens when individuals and communities are meaningfully involved in decision making around health. For example, town hall meetings, citizen assemblies, focus groups and consultations, health councils, representation on steering groups, and review boards. Know the health needs of populations and act on them. Now, this is the responsibility of the government. Collect, analyze, use, and monitor data. Disaggregate by age, sex, economic status, education level, place of residence, race and ethnicity, and other characteristics, and act to correct health inequalities. Safeguard the right to health in war and conflict. Protect health infrastructure and health workers and ensure uninterrupted access to health services in adherence to international humanitarian and human rights laws. So at present, humanitarian crises are going on in Gaza and Palestine. World Health Organization has taken note of it and they have mentioned on their website about the health situation and health service availability in Gaza and Palestine. So this is all about the key messages from World Health Organization on the occasion of World Health Day. I hope that you must have liked this video. I request all of you please subscribe my channel, like this video and share in your family and friends. Thank you very much.